Taps, how do you feel by being here in this what we call, what is this place?
Power Store.
Power Store.
Power Store waterfall. No, they keep saying Victoria Falls is one of the most majestic waterfalls in the world. Come and take a look here, my bro. We'll show you what a waterfall is.
Okay.
This is the best waterfall in Ireland, so don't tell us about Victoria Falls. What Victoria Falls?
Asesiwabona, sesiyibone le fall.
Sikuto. It's a lake, it's a waterfall. You will see wonders here. They say there is a snake, a big snake here. Saibona mafunyani wazan sibo. Power spot. Uyachisa inyama. Beka rafeni. Kwanza dole. Isubira abasa ndio. No. Mfano the stuff is green. Mfano the stuff is fire. Stuff. I record le nang dai po.
In a cycling place le. Cycle la uyosala. Ulahla izibi la. Hlelekile kuhle. Yachisa uya. Naku ba notice la ukuthi kune danger ekhona. There is a danger. Do not climb near them. Sisambe sisondele kuyo. Sesiyaqala siyayibona waterfall. Inhle kakhulu. What a nice waterfall. Abanye abantu lapha sengibadosa badansa sibabuyisa sibabona olavida kuhle kuyamangalisa donalena foni yami izuma kancane.